So I recently earned $10,000 using Kajabi, and they sent me a shoebox. Today I'm going to unpack it and tell you what's inside. In full disclosure, I already opened it. When I first got the package, I just was excited, so I opened it. So I know what's inside of here, but I figured that I should create a piece of content that you can see if you're considering signing up with Kajabi, or maybe you're like, know about Kajabi hero levels, which I'm going to go into in a minute, and you can see what happens when you actually hit 10K. So you have something to look forward to. It's pretty cool, but yeah, it's a $10,000 box. And we're gonna whip it open right now, so let's dive in. If you've been following me for a while, you probably have picked up on the fact that I love Kajabi. I run my business in Kajabi. I don't have any like crazy business yet. I'm growing. I'm a growing entrepreneur. I'm more of a renaissance man, I would say, where I grow and I teach you the things that I learn as I go. And I want to be as transparent, be as honest with you as possible. I've definitely hit more than $10,000 in my business, but I haven't been using Kajabi fully when I was, hitting 10K. So now I officially use Kajabi completely. I passed 10K and they sent me over this box. When you're a member in Kajabi, you are called a Kajabi hero. As soon as you sign up on their website, they actually tell you a bit more about it. So it says Kajabi heroes will begin to earn rewards at certain milestones of earned revenue, such as 1K, 10K, 50K, 100K, 250K, 500K, and $1 million goals. It also says that as you reach certain revenue goals, you'll receive some awesome swag and exclusive perks, from a hashtag Kajabi Hero t-shirt to custom Kajabi AirPods. I never got notified on passing 1K, so I don't know what happened there. So I should have a second box or some other kind of gift other than my 10K box. I'm gonna reach out to Kajabi about that. But let's whip this thing open. So right when I opened up the package, I got Kajabi Rocket Book. The Rocket Book is a little notebook that you get, and comes with a little rag. So basically what this is a reusable notebook, which is kind of cool. So it says you can do like graphs, notes, tasks, projects, sketches, just something that you get to write in. And it even comes with a erasable pen. So it's a Pilot friction ball. So it's a ballpoint pen that you got. But apparently this rag is gonna allow you to get rid of it. So I've actually never even drawn on it. I'm just gonna try it real quick. Boom, see that, 10K, and then I can, okay, it doesn't really wipe off. I think you gotta get some kind of something to wipe it off, or you get it damp before you do it. But anyway, that's the one thing that we got. It's all branded, says Kajabi on it. It's an expensive ass notebook, but hey. Okay, this is probably the coolest thing inside of this box, in my opinion. I mean, the notebook's kind of cool, but this is the cool thing. You get a 10K, I don't know if you can see that, 10K Kajabi Hero pin. As you get like 50K, 200K, million, all those, you get to collect these pins. So I need to get my 1K, obviously, because I've definitely done 1K, and then I can start collecting these. And then one day I will have all of them. So you also get a little card that comes in the mail, and it says, you just hit 10K in Kajabi and we couldn't be more excited for you. This is a huge milestone and you should be proud. You can bet we are. Just imagine the even better things to come as you work towards 50K. We're in your corner all the way. And that's all that we got inside of the box. So to sum up, we got the erasable notebook, and we got a pin, and then we also got, we also got a pen, which is cool. And we got a little love letter from Kajabi, just congratulating us. What I like about Kajabi is that it's more than just a software that you use to build your online business. Their help center is phenomenal, and there's a reason that I've committed to just using Kajabi. I've tried Teachable, I've worked with clients in Teachable or Thinkific and all these different platforms, and Kajabi, in my opinion, is by far the best, which is why I believe in it and I fully stick with it. But I really enjoyed that they send you these things in like little packages, because it makes you feel like it's something bigger than just paying them for a software. Like, I mean, it is expensive to pay, technically it's kind of like paying 10K for a notebook and a pin, but it's still cool. They don't have to do that, but they do it because they believe in the people that use their platform and their software, and I appreciate it. Now, if you don't know, Kajabi is a online platform that you use to grow and scale your business, so you can start your business using it, which is what I recommend. But if you teach things, you are a coach or a consultant or a music teacher, or you teach a skill or want to teach a skill, or the passions that you have, which is what I help people with, Kajabi is the best tool to use because it puts everything that you need to succeed in knowledge commerce in one place and with one software. And that's why I use it, because it just makes sense for me, and it made my life so much easier using all these different softwares, putting it all together in one. And it took me a while to get used to it, to understand it. But once I did, it's really made my life so much easier. So you can try out Kajabi for yourself if you're interested in teaching things online, or being a coach and growing your business and keeping things very simple in one place. And you can go to kajabi.com and sign up for their 14-day free trial. Or better yet, you can use my affiliate link, because Kajabi is the only platform that I actually affiliate for, because I really believe in it. I believe in what they do. It's really made my life easier. And every time that a client is using other tools and then they start using Kajabi, they're like, wow, that was so much easier. And I'm in their corner to help. So if you want to give Kajabi a 30-day trial rather than a 14-day trial, and get Kajabi Kickstart so you can launch your business, get it fully set up in that first 30 days, and then get some one-on-one coaching with me, just go to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or click the link in the description. There's no extra cost to you if you went through Kajabi's 14-day trial through their website, or you went through my link and got Kajabi Kickstart and the 30-day free trial. It's not gonna change your monthly investment. It's not more expensive to use my link or anything, but if you go through my link, you're gonna get way more perks, a bunch of cool stuff. Let me know in the comments if you have hit 10K in Kajabi, or you've hit past it, or if it's your goal, where are you at in your business? Drop a comment below and I will respond to you personally. So that's what you get when you hit 10K inside of Kajabi, at least in 2022. Maybe it will change, I don't really know. That's all I got. Hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.